Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be unseen on Messenger, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. To view the message without the other person knowing, you can turn on the airplane mode on your device. Open Messenger and tap the message you want to see. When you read the message, close the app. Also, remove it from the app drawer. Once the app is completely closed, turn off airplane mode. And that's how you can be unseen on Messenger. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.